There's some things we're never going to get all the way over, but everything can get better. Grief heals through a combination of the passage of time and the experiencing and expression of the grief itself. It's an interaction of those two things. Just having one will not be enough. If you had a loss 40 years ago and you have not felt an ounce of emotion around that loss, you've just kept that locked up tight in a safe with 7 chains around it, the day you feel it, it's going to be like it happened yesterday. Time does not heal all wounds. But the opposite is also true. You can't go through a devastating loss, get all your feelings out, and then move on with your life and be done. It requires an interaction of time and expressing and experiencing the grief. I cannot tell you exactly what that equation is going to look like for you. It depends on the loss. It depends on who you are. We're all different in that regard, but you have to feel it. And it's going to take some certain amount of time.